Good morning, guys. Today I'm going to discuss about consumption of fuel oil. So the situation is we have just loaded in, for example, in Port of Manila, Philippines, and we're going to discharge at San Fernando, La Union. So there will be a fuel consumption. So from Manila to San Fernando, Iloilo, or San Fernando, La Union, San Fernando, La Union. So there will be a consumption of fuel. So what will be our arrival draft at San Fernando when we have consumed some fuels? So let's start, guys. This is the problem. Say example 4.3, and the name of the vessel is MV Nara. This is a four cargo holds vessel. MV Nara is loaded to her summer draft. So meaning his departure draft will be his summer draft, and shall be sailed to discharge port at that will be in San Fernando, La Union. Bunkers and all other consumptions are calculated to 610 metric tons, meaning all consumptions, including the fuel, including fresh water, diesel oil, whatever, FO is 610 metric tons. The question is, what is the draft or his arrival draft when she arrives at discharge port? Okay. So what is the summer draft of MV Nara is 9.55, or the summer displacement. What is? We will check, guys. Okay, here we go to the capacity table, then scroll down. Okay, so summer here is summer drop is 9.55, which is this one. Summer drop is 9.55, and the displacement is 30884. And displacement is 30884. Okay, let's go back to the problem. So you now have your summer displacement is 30884, and his departure drop is 9.55, and according to the consumption is 610 when you arrive from Manila to San Fernando. I will give you the figure here. So from Manila, he will travel, after completing loading here in Manila, he will travel up to San Fernando, La Union, and the total distance will be 189.4. Okay, but it doesn't say in the problem what is the distance. So the consumption is approximately 610. Okay, and the arrival drop should be, so from since you have your summer displacement and you have your consumptions, so your consumptions divided by your minus your summer displacement, this will be your displacement at discharge port. So what is the value of this displacement? The value of this displacement is 9.377. Okay, check with the hydrostatic table. Okay, We go to the hydrostatic table, and what is the displacement? Displacement is 30274. Okay, when you subtract 6, the consumption of 610 minus the displacement, then your displacement arrival at discharge port is 30274. 30274. So put here 30274. Again, 30274 equals 9.377. So here, your arrival drop at San Fernando is 93.77. Okay, check on the figure. Again, from Manila to San Fernando, La Union is 184 miles. Okay, and I get here your daily consumption is 45 metric tons, and your draft, sailing draft, or your what's this your speed, sailing speed is 13.97, and the steaming time will be 13 hours and 33 minutes, meaning from Manila going to San Fernando, it will take you 13 hours and 33 minutes in a speed of 13.97, and your total consumption will be 610.9. This should be your total consumption. Okay, and it will show here in this problem. See, your total consumption is 610, and I made here a computation with a problem. So from Manila to San Fernando, it is 189.4 miles, which is this one. I'm sorry, 189.4 miles from Manila to San Fernando. Okay, and your service speed is 13.97, which is this one. Service speed is 13.97, and I'm sorry, and the steaming time will be 13.56, or 13 hours 33 minutes, which is this one. $13 hours and 33 minutes. Okay, so again, this is the summer displacement of your departure in Manila is 30884. That is equivalent to 9.55 metric tons. Okay, then you have a consumption of 610 metric tons, which is this one. So your arrival drop or arrival displacement at San Fernando will be 30274, and the drop will be 9377, which is this one. This will be your arrival draft at San discharge port of 3027, and your drop will be 9.377. So if you you subtract from your arrival drop at San Fernando from your departure drop at Manila, your rice will be 0.173, meaning the fuel consumed will be 6111.2, which is almost the same with this one. Okay, so why rice? Okay, why rice? Okay, so for example, when you're loaded in Manila, your vessel will be in this condition when you're loaded. Okay, so when it's running from, for example, from Manila going up to San Fernando, La Union, of course you will consume your fuel oil. So meaning if you consume your fuel oil, the tendency of the vessel is to rise up. Okay, and this will be the condition of your vessel when you arrive in La Union or San Fernando. So look at the freeboard is high. So when your vessel is already rising up. So this is the condition when you have already consumed your fuel oil or your consumption. So I'll just give you an idea so you will know what happens to the vessel when you consume your fuel oil or your consumption. Okay, and how do you get this formula rice, which is the same with this one, guys? Okay, this is the program how to find trim when handling several moderate weights. Okay, so here your departure in Manila is summer drop, which is 9.55. Okay, so that will be your departure drop in Manila of drop of 9.55. So here you type, say, even keel, forward will be 9.55 and up drop will be 9.55. Okay, and your mean drop or mid drop, because your even keel on port side will be 9.55 and starboard mid will be 9.55, meaning you have no list. Okay, now your departure drop in La Union, San Fernando, La Union, which is 9.55, 9.377. So you put here your arrival drop in La Union, 9.377. And your rice, this is your rice. This will be your rice. Will be 0.173. Negative because you are consuming. So 1.73. And you have here, 1.73. Okay. So rice, the formula of rice is your arrival drop, your departure drop in Manila minus your arrival drop in San Fernando, La Union will be 0.173, which is this one. Okay, now how do you get this amount or your consumption? Aside from this solution, we have another solution here. So this is the formula. This will be your consumption. What is the formula? Is K8, which is your rice, multiply by 100, multiply your M3, which is TPC. What is the TPC? The TPC will be your final or arrival draft in La Union. So the final draft there is 9.337, which is this one. You interpolate the TPC and your TPC will be 3533. So look at here. Your TPC is 3533. Put this 77, okay. Oh, you put this one. Form. You make this an additional one. Okay. 77 or 37, okay. So your TPC is 3533. So to get the rice, the weight, meaning your rice times your, this is the rice or equivalent, times your TPC times your times 100, and the weight will be 62112, which is this one, guys. 62, where is that? Okay, excuse me, 62112. Okay, now I got here a solution. So your summer displacement, departure in Manila minus your consumption, this will be your displacement at the port in La Union. The equivalent of this drop is 9.337, which is this one, and the equivalent of your summer drop is 9.55. So this will be your consumption in terms of meters, of 0.173 meters. Okay, this will be your departure drop and arrival drop. So the steaming time is 13.56, which is 13 hours or 13 hours and 33 minutes, which is equivalent to 13.6, and your consumption is 45 metric tons, sorry, 45 metric tons per day, this one, or your daily consumption is 45 metric tons. Okay, make this a little bigger. So 45 metric tons per day, and your total consumption will be 610.9 metric tons, which is see 6 point, you got here 6.10.2, which is almost the same, 6.10.09. Okay, and continue the solution. How to find the weight, how to find this 611.02 is this one, guys. This one. How do you get one? This is the rice, which is K8, K, column 8, this is 1.73. That is 1.73 times TPC times TPC M3 M and 3, that is 13.533 13.533, which is TPC, times 100, which is constant, times 100, and the value is 611.26. And we got here, excuse me, 611.2. Okay, so in the problem, the consumption is 610, which is this one. Okay, but our solution is excuse me, is 611.2. But if you follow the normal procedure, your steaming time, which is 13 hours and 33 minutes, multiply your consumption, daily consumption of 45 metric tons, then your total fuel consumption will be 610.29. Okay, that will be 610.2, which is almost the same with this one. Okay, now I'll explain this figure. I just made this one. You see, the problem doesn't say which port, from loading port to discharge port, doesn't say anything. So I was made some imagination or advanced planning with a consumption of total consumption of 6.10. Okay, so with this figure, and the speed of 13.97, and your daily consumption will be 45, and your steaming hours will be 13 hours and 32 minutes. Your total consumption will be sum up to 610.09 metric tons. So from here, from Manila, your distance is 189.4 from to San Fernando. That will be your total distance, and here, total distance, you have a service speed of 13.97, and your steaming time will be 13.56 or 13 hours 33 minutes. Okay, and you will have a consumption of 610.2 metric tons. So look at here, your steaming time is 13.56 hours. Okay, that will steaming time, and your daily consumption is 45 metric tons. 45 metric tons, and total consumption will be 610.2. So multiply steaming time plus your daily consumption, and you will have total consumption of 612.2. Okay, which is the same to what is given here in the problem, which is this one. Okay, so here's another solution. So how to get this rice is 610, or weight over TPC times 100. This is your weight of consumption divided over TPC of 3546 times 100, and your Okay, I'm sorry. Have to choose. To get the rice will be your weight consumption of 610 over your TPC of 46, 36, 35.46 and times 100, your rice will be 172. So from your departure drop in Manila minus your consumption or your rice, then your arrival drop in San Fernando will 9.38. But look at how the difference of this using the TPCs, using this TPC of 3546. We will check this one. 3546. So 3546 TPC is using this drop. But as to my experience, you have to use your arrival drop or your final drop to get the exact TPC of 35.3. Look at when he used this drop of departure drop in Manila with a TPC of 35.6. His price will be 17.172 metric tons, and his arrival drop will be almost the same, 9.378. Okay, but as for me, I would rather use this TPC of your arrival or your final drop to get the exact TPC of 13.33, which is this one. Okay, so I got here, I use 35.33 because I use this drop of 9.377, which is the arrival drop in San Fernando, and the TPC, if you interpolate, that will be 35.33, which is this one, and you have a value of 611.26. Okay, that will be your weight or consumption. But the problem is consumption is 610. So anyway, I hope you did understand what I've been explaining. This is just a simple arithmetic or solution to get the arrival drop from loading port to discharge port. So from Manila, with the drop of 9.55, your summit drop or displacement drop, subtract it from your consumption from Manila to San Fernando, and this will be your discharge displacement at discharge port in La Union. So get this corresponding drop here, that will be 9.377. So with 9.377 minus your departure in Manila, and this will be arrival, and your rice would be 1.772, or that will be 1.73. So difference between this from departure drop to arrival drop in La Union, this will be your difference or your rice or consumption. Okay, this is your consumption equivalent in metric tons, and this will be equivalent in meters. Okay? And the other solution is from your steaming time, which is this one. Steaming time is 13 hours 33 minutes. Multiply with your 45 metric tons of daily consumption, then you have a consumption of 610.90. Okay? Doesn't any difference, which is just 1 metric tons. Okay? This is the formula. Weight times TPC times 100, which is this one. Weight, which is your rice, or in meters, times 100 times TPC, which is this one, the same. Rice, which is in meters, times your TPC times 100, then you will get 611.2. So that's it, guys. I hope you like this video. And click the like button, share, and subscribe. And please don't forget to click the notification bell. Thanks for watching and have a good day.